Hi guys.
Priya.
Good morning. What did you decide, lady, for your book?
Oh yeah, my mom ordered the second volume, like the second.
Okay. You know what? I am not able to see Ashwath. Okay. What are you doing in school, Malaysia? What are you? What are, what are you doing in school, Lasia?
We just finished um like adding, subtracting, and then distributive property of polynomials.
Okay. Okay. Polynomials. Okay. 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 Let's go. Adyan, what are you doing in school?
We just had a test on the square roots. We're still doing the exponent.
Oh, radicals and rational. So, are they dealing with radicals and rational exponents?
Yeah.
Okay, good to know. Okay, let's go ahead. Wait. One second. Algebra on Saturday. So where are we? 557 to 596. Okay. Ashwath, how was the homework? Did you have any questions?
No,
On the homework, were you able to do the homework?
no, I submitted it today.
You submitted it. Okay. Last year, did you have any questions, Ma, on graphing exponential functions? Last year,
Priya.
did you have any questions on the homework?
I didn't get the book yet. Supposed to write tomorrow.
Doesn't matter, Ma. Even with your book, right, you can just go ahead and do the graphing exponential functions. Mostly the content will be one or two problems that differ.
Okay.
Okay, let me go ahead. Okay, let me go ahead and ask you on this. Let's see. Hold on. You're able to see my screen? Okay, let's go ahead and do this. A ball is rolling down a slope and continuously picks up speed. Suppose the function f of x is equal to 1.2 times 1.11 power x describes the speed of the ball in inches per minute. How fast will the ball be rolling in 20 minutes? Do you know what to do for this? Ashwath, Adyan, do you know what to do for this one?
Wait, Miss Priya, can you help me on this?
You're able to see last year, would you be able to do this? I'm just reviewing last week. Are you able to do Malasya? Guys, you have to let me know whether you're able to do that. I'll wait. Last year, would you be able to do?
I sent you my answer.
Ashwath, Ashwath, did you do? How will you do this one? How will you do this one, Adyan and Ashwath? Can you go ahead and tell me? Adyan and Ashwath, you have to let me know, guys. Will you be
I'm
able to do?
confused. I need a little help.
You need a little help. There's nothing much in the problem though. Ashwath, how will you be able to do? A ball is rolling down in a slope and continuously picks up speed. Suppose this function describes the speed of the ball in inches per minute. Okay, so y tells you about the speed of the ball in inches per minute. How fast will the ball be rolling in 20 minutes? So literally they have given x will be equal to 20. So what should you do to find out the speed of the ball in 20 minutes? You will be substituting x will be equal to 20. Now would you be able to find Adyan? Would you be able to find it, Adyan?
Yeah.
Okay. How about you, Ashwath? Would you be able to find?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I move on? Let's see. I'll give you a
Yeah.
couple more problems, then we can move on. Okay. How about this? Write the equation of the rational function. Write the equation of the rational function, the exponential function that passes through the point 2, 4 and 3, 2. 2, 4 and 3, 2. Let me see. Write the equation. It's just a review of the last week of the exponential function. That passes through 2, 4 and 3, 2. 2, 4 and 3, 2. One second, guys. One second. I will take my pen. 2, 4 and 3, 2 are the points. Would you be able to do this? Yes, no. I need to understand, guys.
Yeah.
Sia, have they completed polynomials for you?
We took a test on polynomials, and then we started like, well, our teacher didn't really give us what the name of the topic was, but it was like factoring trinomials where the a value is 1.
But you have not done exponential functions?
We did. We finished exponential functions.
Can you write the equation of the function? Would you be able to do this? F of x will be equal to, should I do or do you want to do, guys? Quickly you have to let me know, ma. This is y will be equal to a people.
Miss Priya, can you give me?
Ashwath, would you be able to do?
I don't know.
Oh, really? Okay, let me help you. Just substitute x comma y. See, this is our equation, right? Just substitute x comma y, x comma y. You see, you can substitute x comma y like that. 4 will be equal to a times 2. What is a? A will be equal to 2. Just substitute it back. F of x will be equal to 2b power of 2. Okay, let's see. Wait. Okay. What is the common ratio between the two? What is the common ratio between the two? Can I say this? B is the common ratio, right? So plug that in. So that would be f of x will be equal to 2 times half power of x. Any questions?
No.
Any questions? To find the common ratio and then plug your x and y values, find a. Did you get that?
How do you get A again?
Seema, x and y, this is a set of xy, xy. You can take any xy and plug that into the equation.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Let me show you. Let me show you once more. Let me show you once more. 2 comma 4, 3 comma 2, right? Oh my god. Wait. What I'm saying. So the question was 2 comma 4, 3 comma 2. Okay, find exponential function that passes these 2 points. So what I did, I wrote the general equation. In this, the common ratio here is 2 divided by 4, which is 1 by 2. Put that in here. Y equal to a 1 by 2 power x. Having said that, what is a? Now we don't know a, but we know several xy. I can either use this or this. So plug that in here. 2, 4. 4 will be equal to a 1 by 2 power. Oh my god, okay. I didn't do this, guys. 1 by 2 power. X value is 2, right? Okay, we should have done this. 4 will be equal to a 1 by. Am I doing it correctly? Let me see. Just a minute, guys. Y will be equal to. So I got 1 by 2. I substituted 1 by 2 instead of b. 1 by 2, the whole square gets you a. So my a will be equal to 16. So everything, putting it back into the equation, right? Put it back into the equation and write y will be equal to 16 times b is half power of x. That will be the equation. It was a mistake that we did last time. Did you get it, Lasya?
I still don't understand how you got 16.
Why? I just plugged in the values. Where is that you didn't get it, Ashwath? Show me.
After 4 equals a parentheses 1/4. I didn't get it
Yeah.
after.
You got this? Did you get this?
Yeah, I got that. I didn't get what you
Then
did
multiply
after
it by
that.
4 on both sides.
Oh, okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Adyan, did you understand?
Yeah.
Last year, did you get?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I have more questions for you. Let's see. Okay. Now, if I get to polynomial function, do you all know what a monomial is?
No.
What is a monomial?
A single term.
A single term, but can I ask you a single term? Okay, a single term. Monomial is a single term. That means product of number and variables. Product of numbers and variables. In this case, okay, if I define a monomial like this, can I say, see, product of number variables. This can be written as x times x. Product of numbers and variables is called monomial. Any questions there? However, I have some restrictions here. Let's see. Suppose, let's say 4. Is this a monomial? X. Is this a monomial? Yes. X square. Is this a monomial? Yes. However, there are restrictions. Let's see what are the restrictions. Now, the exponents of the variables are all whole numbers. Exponents of variables are all whole numbers. You got it? Suppose if I put 4x power of minus 1, is this a monomial, Lasya? Is that a monomial?
Yes.
It is not, right, ma, because the power, the exponent is a whole number. Whole number means the number starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Does that make sense? Now, minus 1 is not a whole number. So the variable, if you further simplify this will be 4 divided by x. Did you get that?
I see.
So it's not a monomial. Any questions? How about this? Is this a monomial? This is written as x power of half. Is that a monomial?
Yes.
Is that a monomial?
Yes.
Yes.
No. The power is half. Is that a whole number?
Oh, no.
Oh, okay.
No, the power is not a whole number, right? How
Mm-hmm.
about this? Is this a monomial? X square plus AB. Is this a monomial?
Yes.
What do you think, Lasya?
Um,
Is that a monomial?
no.
No, because this is one term, this is one term. This is a separate monomial. This is a separate monomial. If you combine monomials, sum of monomials, two monomials will become a binomial. Suppose if we have x plus a plus b, this is called a trinomial. Any questions there?
No.
If it is more, right, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, if it's more than 3, it's called a polynomial. Any questions? Any questions, guys? Okay, so we understood what a polynomial is. Suppose if I give you this, it's a monomial, right? They can ask you for the degree of the monomial. Okay, how do I write that? It's the degree this, right? Here it's 2. Suppose if you have x square y, what is the degree of this monomial? For this one, the degree will be equal to the degree of the variables, the sum of the degree of the variables. This is 2, this is 1, so 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Any questions? Any questions? What is the degree of this monomial? What is the degree of this monomial?
5.
5. Good job. Do you get it? Now suppose if I give you x cube y square plus x power of 4y square plus xy. What is the degree of this polynomial? If they give you this, that's hard. You have to find the degree of each monomial. Find the degree of this, find the degree of this, find the degree of this. Tell me what is the highest degree. Come on, guys, try this one. Tell me what is the highest degree.
6.
6. Correct. 6 is the degree of this polynomial. Any questions there? Now, if I give you this, standard form of a polynomial. Last year, do you know what is this last year?
Alphabetical order and then from highest to lowest exponent.
Yep. So, when you start writing a polynomial in standard form, let's say you're given this polynomial. Okay. This is not in standard form. This is not in standard form. And how do you write this in standard form? The highest power should come to the leftmost side, and then it should be in decreasing powers of x. Ashwat, did you get that?
Yeah.
So standard form of a polynomial is when you write the polynomial in decreasing powers of the variable. Any questions? Any questions, guys? Any questions?
No.
Okay. Now let's see. Suppose if I want to add 2xy plus 2x square y plus 3xy, how to simplify this? This is a monomial. This is a monomial. This is also a monomial. How do you add all of this together? Only the like terms will go together. You can write it out as 5xy plus 2x square y. Any questions? I wanted to do this. Any questions? Any questions? Okay, now if I add p square y square plus py plus 4py plus 3p square y square, what will be, if I want you to simplify this polynomial, what should I do? One of you can shout it out. What should I do if I want
Add
to
like terms.
add the like terms?
So
The
would
terms
it be p square y square plus and then 3p square and y square?
come again, ma?
So
Come
would
again.
we add the p square and y square? Yeah, those two, yeah.
Yeah, so what is the answer?
Mm.
This is 1. 3 plus
Mhm.
1, 4p square y square plus, when you add these two, what happens?
5py.
5py. Any questions here? Okay, now you're going to do this for me. Okay, let's try this one. You're going to subtract the given polynomial from 8p square y minus 5py. Can you do that for me? Guys, you're going to let me know if you don't get it.
Do we send it in the chat or do we just tell you?
Sure, ma. Send it in the chat.
Okay.
Or you can shout it out as well, guys.
Would it be py minus 5p square y?
What was the answer for you, Arjun?
5, no, I meant py plus, no, I meant minus py minus 5p square y.
Why? How did you get this? What are the other answers I got? Ashwath and Lasya.
Priya,
Uh-huh.
I got 5p
Yes, I
squared.
saw that now. Go ahead. Go ahead, Lasya.
I got 5p squared y.
That's right, ma. Whatever you have given me is right. Now subtract this. If you want to subtract this, if you don't understand, right, put a smaller number. Subtract 2 from 5. How do you subtract 2 from 5? So basically you write this down. 8p square y minus 5py. And then you subtract, put a parenthesis, minus 5py plus 3p square y. That if you do 8p square y minus 5py, please distribute this minus. That is what is important. Plus 5py minus 3p square y. This and this will get cancelled, resulting in 8p square y minus 3p square y is 5p square y. Any questions? Any questions here? Any questions? How about this? Subtract. Subtract 3p square. Wait. Subtract minus 3p square from p square y minus 4p square. Can you answer this? What is the answer? Please send it in chat. Let me know if you got the answer.
Here, I sent my answer to you.
Sorry, Lasya, 1 minute. Oh, that's good.
Miss Priya, I need your help. I'm confused.
See, why don't you substitute Adyan? Subtract 2 from 5. What do you do? If I ask you to subtract 2 from 5, what do you do? First, you write down the 5, right? And then you put a minus and then you put the 2, correct? Can you do something like that? You think you can do?
So
Here,
would
this
it
is
would
your
it
p square y minus 4p square. Subtract minus 3p square. So what happens? P square y minus 4p square plus 3p square. This and this will go together. P square y minus p square. Any questions?
uh
Any question?
wait, then what would happen to the 4 and 3?
What would happen to the 4 and 3? They both are alike, right? Minus 4p square plus 3p square is what, Adyan?
Uh wait, what was the question again? Huh?
The question was to subtract minus 3p square from p square y minus 4p square. Did that make sense?
Yeah.
What should you do? You have to write down this value. See, it's like subtract 2 from 5. What do? You write this down as a whole and then you subtract the minus 3p square, correct?
Yeah.
When you do that, the minus will carry, the minus will be distributed and that will become a plus. Any questions there?
So wouldn't it be minus 7p squared?
No, this is minus 4 and plus 3, right? Did you
Oh,
get that?
so would it be negative 1?
Yes, negative 1p square, correct. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, how about this? You're going to do a couple problems and I'm going to move on this. So addition and subtraction seems good still. Let's see. Let's try this one. 673. Let's see this one. Suppose if there are, okay, let's consider this polynomial. What type of polynomial is this one? What type of polynomial is this one? How many terms are there? How many terms are there, Ashwath? What type of see? Lasya, do you know what type of polynomial is this one?
3.
Huh? Lasya, do you know what type of polynomial is this one?
The binomial.
Binomial. This, there are only two terms, right? So that's called a binomial. How about this? What is this, Ashwath? What is that called? Only one term is there, right? What is it called?
Monomial.
Monomial. This is called a binomial. This is called a trinomial. Any questions? How about this? Let's go ahead and do this one. How about this one? Z cube minus z power of 6. Z cube minus z power of 6 plus 4z. Z cube minus z power of 6 plus 4. 1 second, guys. What did I give you? Plus 4z. Plus 4z. Can you tell me Can you tell me what is the degree of this polynomial? What is the degree of this polynomial? What's the degree of that polynomial, ma?
Priya, what does degree mean again?
What is the degree? I told you, right? Sum of the powers. I just explained, right, Ashwath? Sum of the degrees. Here it's 3, here it's 6, here it's what? It's 1. So which is the highest degree? This, right?
Yeah.
So the degree of the polynomial is 6. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, now what is the degree of this polynomial? What is the degree of this polynomial?
Would it be 4?
Hmm?
Would it be 4?
My shout out?
Would it be 4?
How did you get the 5?
4.
Huh?
Would it be 4?
Would it be?
4.
Why? No, you have to add the see, here there are two variables, right? So it will be 7 and 2. So which is the degree of the polynomial? This one. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
How about 7y square plus 3py square? What is the degree of this polynomial? All in chat, please. What is the degree of this polynomial? Did you get it last year? Did you get it last year? Adyan, did you send the answer, Adyan?
Yeah.
How did you get, guys? Last year, did you get the answer?
Yeah, I sent it.
Is it 5? Why it's a 5? No, you cannot. Amma, please. Here, you cannot add the degrees between. This is a term, this is a term. Each term you have to find the degree. What is the degree of each term? What is the degree of this last year?
Yeah.
2. What is the degree of this?
3.
3. So, which is the highest? This
3.
one. So, degree of this polynomial is 3. Make sense?
Yeah.
You need
Oh,
to be careful. You need to be careful. How about this? Can you write this in standard form for me? What should come first, Ashwath, if I want to write it in standard form? If I want to write it in standard form, how should I write it, Ashwath? How should I write it? Okay, who can tell me? How will you write it in standard form?
I
Hmm?
it would first be x to the power of 3.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, negative, and then it would be negative x to the power of 2. No, wait,
Plus x to the power of 2. And then
1.
plus 1. Do you guys have any questions? Decreasing powers of x. Make sense? Okay. How about this? You know how to add and subtract now. Polynomials, like terms will go with each other, right? If I give you, what type of polynomial is this, Ashwath? What type of polynomial is this one?
Like if it's a monomial or binomial and trinomial.
What type of polynomial? This is called a term, this is called a term. There are two terms, right?
Binomial, right?
Binomial. What type is this, Adyan? What type of polynomial is this?
Would it be polynomial?
What type of polynomial is that one?
Uh, Trinomial?
Trinomial, good job. Can I move on? Okay, now if I have x plus y, I'm going to multiply with x plus y. If I want to multiply these two, how do I do it? First, I'll take x, then multiply with both. X times x is x squared, and then x times y is xy. Once I finish that, I'll go ahead and multiply y times x is x, and then I'll multiply y times y is y. Now these two are like terms. If you think about it, xy, yx, both are like terms, so I can add them. This is a 1, this is a 1, right? I can write this out as 2xy plus y square. Any questions? Any questions?
No.
Now let's go ahead and try this one. Y plus 1 times x plus y. How do I multiply this? First I'll take y. Please listen. This method is called FOIL. Why? First out. First out. Okay. First terms. You do y times x is yx. And then what I need to do? Out of. Then I'll do, if you want, okay. Then I'll do outer terms y, and then inside terms 1 times x is x, and then the last terms y times y is y squared. So the product is this. Any questions here? First term, outer terms, inner terms, last terms. Got it, guys? Did you get it? Okay, now how about this? A minus b times a minus b. Who is going to do this for me? Quick, guys.
I can wait. Is it in chat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you get it? I'll wait for your answers, guys, on that.
What's that man's over?
Oh wow, Ashwath, there is a slight mistake on the last term. Adyan, there's a slight mistake on the last term. Okay, here. Guys, I told you, right? First you multiply these two. A times A is A square. Then A times minus B is what? Minus AB. Then what I do? I go to the next term. Minus BA. Then minus B times minus B is plus B square. Now what happens? A square. These two you can combine. Both are one and the same. Minus 2AB plus B square. Any questions, guys? Ashwath and Adyan, did you have any questions?
No, now I get it.
I just typed it in wrong.
I saw that, Ashwath. X plus Y times x squared minus y. What is the answer to this one? Quick, guys. Did you get it, Lasya? So fast. We'll multiply this. Multiply this. Please be wary of the signs. And then what do? You multiply this with this. Come on, guys, quick. Did you get it? X cube plus x squared y minus xy minus. Oh wow, Lasya, good job. Adyan, I'm waiting for your answer, Adyan. Adyan, Ashwath, did you send the answer to me already?
Yes, but I don't think it's correct.
What was that, man?
I sent it, but I don't think it's correct.
X cube plus yx square. Yeah, minus xy minus y square. Good job. Adyan, did you get it as well? X cube, ma. Adyan. X and x square, when you multiply, what happens? X cube.
Yeah, that was what I was confused on, so I didn't know.
Minus xy. Where did you get all your xy, right? X times y is xy, right? Adyan, did you get it?
Oh, yeah,
And then what do? Y and x square. What will that get you? Plus yx square,
plus,
right? And then what? Plus y times minus y is what, Adyan?
uh, just one, wait,
Yeah, just
yeah, just one, right?
y. Okay, let me show you. Hold on, let me show you. It was y right here. 1 minute, Adyan. I really want you to understand this because it's quite important as we move up. Okay, now this is 1. X times x square is x cube. Then x times minus y is minus xy. Got it?
Yeah.
Plus yx square. Then what? Minus y square. Make sense?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Shall I move on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I want to understand. We missed a class, right? Can I extend all the forthcoming classes by 15 minutes? We are still lagging. I'm not able to catch up, right? Looks like Lasya is a little ahead in school. So can we extend the class, every class by 15 minutes from today? Yes, no, you have to tell me.
Sure.
Hmm?
You can extend it.
Okay, thanks. Adyan and Ashwath, how about you? Can I do that? Meaning, till the end of the session, we'll have all the 4 classes to extend it. Is it okay?
Yeah, I think you can.
Yeah, that's the only way it'll work well. Let me quickly check. Yes. Let's see. Okay, now, so you all understood till multiplication. Now let me give you some questions and make sure we are where we are. How about this, ma? Um. Okay. Can you write this in you might want it to be a little bigger, right? Okay. How about this? Please, you have to be careful when you do problems with polynomials. Okay, you cannot be careless. If you are careless, definitely we are bound to make mistakes. Okay, let's see this one. How about this one? Would you be able to simplify this one? Would you be able to simplify this polynomial? Oh my gosh, sorry guys. Would you be able to simplify this polynomial? Minus 2y cube minus 8y squared plus y squared plus 2y cube. Can I
Miss
do
Priya, my
this?
parents said that they were fine with the 15 minutes.
Okay, thank you, ma.
Mm-hmm.
Just realized that my answer.
Yes, ma. I just wanted to get up instead of always sitting. Okay. Lasya. Lasya, let me rewrite this problem. Please, Lasya, do it. Minus 2y cube minus 8y square plus y square plus 2y cube. This was given last year. That was what was given, right, guys?
Yeah.
Simplify and write in standard form. Can you do that for me? Can you do that for
Was
me?
my answer not correct?
I don't think so, Lasya. I'm checking.
Because the 2y squared cubed cancel each other out.
Oh,
Negative
okay.
8
I did
plus
not
1
see
is
that.
9.
Honestly, I did not see that. Good job. So minus 7y square is your answer. Make sense? I did not see the same numbers on the. What is the leading coefficient? Have you heard the term leading coefficient? This is very important, guys. Have you heard the term leading coefficient? What is leading coefficient? 4x square plus 3xy minus 1. What is the leading coefficient here? Let's say. Okay, in this case, I would go with the highest power of the polynomial. What is the highest power of the polynomial? 3. That is for this term, right? Now, for the highest power monomial, I will find the coefficient 4. That is called the leading coefficient. Suppose let's say I have 24x cubed plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. Is this in standard form, Ashwath? Is this polynomial in standard form?
Yeah.
Yes. As a result, what is the leading coefficient here?
24.
Huh?
24.
24. Adyan, did you get it?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Okay, can I write this in standard form? Can I write this in standard form and tell me what is the leading coefficient? Can you write that for me?
Do we send it in the chat?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm going to ask you another question. You're going to answer this one for me. Just write in standard form and what is the leading coefficient. Good job, Ashwath. Lasya and Adyan. I'm waiting for your answers, guys.
And just sent my answer.
Yes, ma'am. Give me 1 minute. Give me 1 second. Did you get it, Lasya?
Priya, can you make the word problem a little bigger?
Yes, absolutely. Adyan, did you order it in the decreasing powers of X Adyan or Y
Oh,
Adyan?
I accidentally increased it on accident.
You didn't do what?
I accidentally increased it. It's the opposite of what I said.
Yeah, so it should be 2y cube plus y square plus 1, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you got it. Ashwath, I didn't get an answer from you. Did you get it?
I already sent my answer.
Oh, you already sent your answer. I didn't see. And what is it? Oh, 1 second. I don't know why I didn't see. Hold on, I'm checking. I saw leading coefficient is 2. Good job. Yes, you got it, Ashwath. Okay, for the word problem, you wanted me to make it a little bigger. Okay, yeah, I'll do that. You are going to hold on to 1 second, guys. How about this, Lasya? Are you able to do? You're going to do this and tell me how will you do this? Let's see. Go ahead and do this one for me. Go ahead and do this one for me.
Is that already given in standard form?
Go ahead.
Priya, isn't that already given in standard form?
What is it now?
Isn't the equation already given in standard form?
Why? See, a skyrocket is launched from a 6-foot high platform with an initial speed of 200 feet per second. They've given the polynomial. Okay, the polynomial gives the height in feet. See, what is this? This is a graph. See, this is the height. This tells you the height in feet that the skyrocket will attain in t seconds. They're asking in the fifth second, when t equal to 5, what is the height of the rocket? What do you do? What do you do? They've given a function f of t, function that's dependent on the t, minus 16t square plus 200t plus 6. Now, if you want to get t equal to 5, what happens to the height of the rocket? This is the height of the rocket. What will you do, Ashwath? What will you do, Ashwath?
Do you substitute 5 for
Yes, do it and tell me the answer.
Okay.
I just want you to substitute it correctly. Did you get it? What is the answer? Did you get it, guys? What is the height of the rocket? What is the height of the rocket?
Got my answer.
Hmm?
I sent my answer.
Okay, just give me 1 second. I'm checking Lasya. Adyan, did you get it? Yes, Ashwath. Yes, Lasya. Adyan, did you get it? Okay. Now I'm going to list you. I'm going to give a problem on the board where you're going to tell me how to do. I don't want the answer. That's not what I'm looking at. But you just need to let me know how will you do the problem. Okay. Adyan, you can tell me this. Lisa wants to measure the depth of an empty well. She drops a ball from a height of 3 feet into the well and measures how long it takes for the ball to hit the bottom of the well. She uses a stopwatch starting when she lets go of the ball to ending when she hears the ball at the bottom of the well. The polynomial is this, right? That's the function. Gives the height of the ball after t seconds, where 0 is the initial speed of the ball and 3 is the initial height of the ball. Her stopwatch measured a time of 2.2 seconds. Okay, how deep is the well? What do you want to do? See, here the y is the height. That's f of x, right? So that will be equal to 16t square. So that is f of t. T is your independent variable, right? So what should you do to find out how deep is the well? How deep is the well? See, it is hitting the bottom of the well means what? It is hitting the bottom of the well means what?
Reach the bottom.
Yeah. So what should you do in this problem? 2.2 seconds.
Substitute.
2.2 seconds it's hitting the bottom. So what will happen? 2.2 seconds it's hitting the bottom of the well.
Would you just substitute 2.2 for t?
Yes, that's all. You got it? You got it?
Yeah.
That's it. That's the height of the ball when it is at 2.2 seconds. Makes sense? Can I move on now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so you know how to add, subtract and multiply polynomials is my honest thought. Correct, Lasya?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if I give you this model, would you be able to write the polynomial? That we'll check quickly. If I give you this model, will you be able to write what is the polynomial? Considering they'll tell you what does your big X stand, big plus stands for X. This minus stands for minus X. Or let's say the plus stands for X squared, minus stands for X. How do I write this polynomial? There's an X squared, there's an X squared, there's an X. So how do I write this polynomial? 2x squared plus X. Did you guys get it? Did you guys get
Yeah.
it?
Yeah.
It depends. Okay, suppose they give you this. Suppose they give you plus X is X squared and then a minus is minus X. How do you write this? This is 2x squared. This is a minus X. Did you get it, guys?
Yeah.
Okay. How about maybe this one? Let me see. See, when you okay, addition is easy, you can do, guys. Okay, so what we are going to do, wait, let me see. So the polynomial unit I want you to do this week. Okay, so from page number 673 you're going to do 673. You should be okay doing this. Subtracting you know how to do. Can I assign till multiplication? Slowly we can catch up on what we missed, but let's see. 673. Yeah, I would really like you to do all of it. 673 to 716. 673 to 716. 673 to 716. Let's see. How about this? You're going to give me the value of this. You might want to make it bigger, right? How about this? Can you subtract? Do this and we'll log off. Go ahead. 673 to 716. I will cover factoring next week. Lasya, we should be able to catch up with that next week. Make sense, Lasya?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go ahead.
I sent my answer.
One second.
Yeah, I also sent the answer.
You know what? What did I do, guys? I don't know what I did. Yeah. Lasya, it is 8z square, right, ma? Lasya, it's 8z square, right, Lasya? See, Lasya, Ashwath, how did you get that? 9z square plus 28. And then you are going to distribute the minus everywhere. Minus z square minus 8z plus 8. Did you get it? It's like multiplying a minus 1 with this, minus 1 with this, minus 1 with this. Ashwath, did you get it?
Yeah.
So that will be 8z square minus 8z plus 36. Make sense?
Oh, okay.
Adyan, did you get it?
Yeah.
Hey, this week I want your homework, Adyan and Ashwath. I want to see how you do. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll stop here, guys. But homework is on adding, subtracting, and multiplying polynomials. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, guys. I'll wait But then next week, I mean, whenever we have the classes, we'll be having it as 1 hour and 15 minutes till the end of the session. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. See you all next week, guys.
Bye.
Priya, thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Thank you.